Chapter 3. Singular and plural. Look at the pictures and read the following sentences. A boy runs after a dog with a stick. Boys run after dogs with sticks. The nouns boy, dog and stick stand for only one person, animal or thing. A noun standing for one person, animal or thing is said to be in the singular number. The nouns boys, dogs and sticks stand for more than one person, animal or thing. A noun standing for more than one person, animal or thing is said to be in the plural number. Keep in mind. 1. Singular. Many, plural. Formation of plurals. We have read the rules to change a singular noun into a plural noun in the previous classes. Let us revise them. Plurals are usually formed by adding s to the singular nouns. Pen, pens, book, books, student, students. Nouns ending in ch, sh, s, ss and x form their plurals by adding es to the singular nouns. Bench, benches, bush, bushes, class, classes. Box, boxes, atlas, atlases, fox, foxes. Nouns ending in consonant plus y form their plurals by changing y to I, e, s, baby, babies, candy, candies, story, stories. Nouns ending in vowel plus y form their plurals by simply adding s to the singular nouns. Boy, boys, ray, rays, valley, valleys. Nouns ending in consonant plus o form their plurals by adding es to the singular nouns. Zero, zeros, potato, potatoes, buffalo, buffaloes. Some nouns ending in consonant plus o form their plurals by adding s instead of es to the singular nouns. Photo, photos. Nouns ending in f or fe form their plurals by changing f or fe to v, es, half, house, wife, wives, knife, knives, calf, calves. Some nouns ending in f do not follow this rule and make their plurals by simply adding s to the singular nouns. Chief, chiefs, hoof, hoofs, brief, briefs. Some nouns form their plurals by changing the form of words. Child, children, louse, lice, mouse, mice. Some nouns form their plurals by changing their inside vowels. Goose, geese, foot, feet, man, men, tooth, teeth. Exceptions. A few nouns like deer, sheep and fish are the same in the plural as in the singular. Some writers use the word Aerofischus Euro trademark symbol when they want to indicate different kinds of fish. Example, 4 kinds of fishes are swimming in the pond. Some nouns like accommodation, scenery, advice, information, news, furniture, luggage, machinery, physics, mathematics and politics have no plurals. Some nouns are always used in the plural. They are not used in the singular. 1. Names of certain articles of dress, trousers, pants, drawers, shorts. It may be noted that the lower portion of some of these dress articles is divided into 2 parts. 2. Names of certain tools or articles, scissors, shears, spectacles. 3. Names of certain diseases, measles, mumps. 4. Names of certain games, billiards. Abstract nouns, material nouns and proper nouns have no plural forms. Compound nouns generally form their plurals by adding Euro trademark symbol to the principal words. Passerby, passers-by. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Some compound nouns form double plurals. Man-servant, men-servants. Woman-servant, women-servants. Countable and uncountable nouns. We can count the persons as 1 person, 2 persons, 3 persons and so on. We can count the animals as 1 cat, 2 cats, 3 cats and so on. We can count various kinds of things as 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens and so on. We However, cannot count water and cannot say one water or two waters, but we can count one glass of water or two glasses of water. We cannot say, euro give me one euro trademark symbol or two teas, but we can say, give me 1 cup of tea or 2 cups of tea. Thus, the nouns that we can count are called countable nouns. The nouns that we cannot count are called uncountable nouns, and these nouns cannot be used in plural form. We can say 1. 2 loaves of bread, not euro to bread euro trademark symbol. 2. 3 packets of butter, not euro 3 butter euro trademark symbol. 3. 4 bags of wheat, not euro 4 wheat euro trademark symbol. 4. 5 balls of wool, not euro 5 wool. Exercise. A. Fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the words in color. 1. We say 1 card, but a pack of. 2. We say 1 child, but a number of. 3. We say 1 fish, but a shoal of. 4. We say 1 glove, but a pair of. 5. We say 1 house, but a group of. 6. We say 1 key, but a bunch of. 7. We say 1 ox, but many. 8. Or we say 1 road, but several. 9. We say 1 shoe, but a pair of. 10. We say 1 tooth, but a set of. B. Choose the right word from the brackets. 1. A pack of. Wolves attacked the sick horse. 2. Put these books on those shelves. 3. The geese have webbed feet. 4. How many prizes have you won? 5. He had to hire several ponies on that journeys. 6. How many toes have you on each feet? 7. Which localities is full of flies? 8. I need a pair of scissors to cut his clothes. 9. Many a plates is broken. 10. A number of camels have broken teeth. C. In the following sentences, change the nouns in color into their plural form and rewrite the sentences. Make other necessary changes where needed. 1. Keep your knife, fork and spoon ready for use. 2. The tiger has eaten up the sheep. 3. Can you shoot that deer on the hillside? 4. A cow is standing under the cowshed. 5. The leaf fell from the tree. 6. The nurse looks after the baby. 7. A hen has laid an egg under the box. 8. What reply have you received from your uncle? 9. This boy plays with a toy along with that child. 10. This mouse is too clever to get into that trap. D. Change the nouns in the singular form. Make other changes as needed. 1. Those women and children have bad teeth. 2. Rabbits eat up cabbages. 3. After crossing valleys and hills, the rivers reach the plains. 4. Babies suck their toes. 5. Wolves kill sheep. 6. 2 dozen mangoes are needed for these functions. 7. They often pluck fruits from the branches of trees. 8. Children fly kites. 9. We Canayuro trademark symbol TC without our spectacles. 10. His eyes are as brown as berries. E. This is the picture of Ragvayuro trademark symbol S bedroom. Find any 4 things singular in number and 4 things plural in number. Write them in the space below.